Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you are here today. Hey everyone, whether you have been learning English for a while or are just starting out, I believe this message will inspire and motivate you to keep going. We all know that learning a language can sometimes feel challenging, but I want to remind you that every step you take brings you closer to your goals and success. In this video, I will share some personal tips that help me while learning English as well as some experiences. I also want to remind you that learning English takes time, and I will talk about staying motivated and determined throughout the journey. So without further ado, let's dive into the video, but don't forget to watch the video till the end. Learning English felt like a huge challenge when I first came to Australia. I was nervous, felt out of place, and wasn't confident in my communication abilities. I didn't know enough, and speaking with native speakers was intimidating. But then I realized something. I had no choice to learn English to survive and succeed here. I decided I would keep going no matter how many mistakes I made. I started listening to the native speakers attentively, imitating their sentences and repeating words I heard. At the beginning, it wasn't easy. I made many mistakes, and sometimes I felt embarrassed when people didn't understand me. But I kept practicing even when it was tough. I told myself that it didn't matter if I made mistakes. I was learning, and that was what mattered. After months of continuous practice, things started to change. I became more confident in my speaking. I was able to express my ideas better, and eventually I was hired as a teacher in Australia. Now I work with native speakers, and I am proud to say that my English has improved a lot. If I can do it, you can too. Learning English is not easy, but with consistent practice, perseverance, and the determination to succeed, you can do it too. Keep going, don't give up, and remember, every mistake is just a step towards improvement. I am living proof that it's possible because I used to make a lot of mistakes. Always remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. It's like planting a tree. When we plant a seed, we don't see the results immediately. At first, the ground looks empty and we might feel discouraged because we don't see any progress. But even though we can't see it, the seed is growing underground. Slowly, it starts to take root, and after a while, it breaks through the surface. This is just like your progress in learning English. It might feel like you are not improving right away, but every time you practice, you are laying the foundation for your growth. We often expect immediate results, but true growth takes time. Always remember, true growth takes time. When you learn a language, you have to be patient. Every word you learn, every sentence you speak is a step closer to fluency. It's like when you add water to a plant every day. It doesn't grow instantly, but with each drop, it becomes stronger and healthier. It's normal to face challenges along the way. You might make mistakes, and that's okay. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. In fact, they are stepping stones to improvement. Think about it when a child is learning to walk. He falls many times, but he doesn't stop. He doesn't give up. He keeps trying, and eventually he walks confidently. You are the same. With every mistake, you learn and become better. So don't focus on perfection, focus on process. As long as you keep practicing, you are moving forward even when it feels slow. Celebrate the small victories, like when you understand a new word or have your first full conversation. These moments are signs of your growth. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing words or grammar rules. It's about connecting with people, sharing your ideas, and opening doors to new opportunities. The more you practice, the more confident you will become in using the language. Consistency is key. Just like a tree grows strong when it receives regular care, your English skills will grow if you make learning a part of your daily routine. Set small goals and keep pushing yourself. You will be amazed how much progress you can make in a short time. Believe in yourself. You are capable of achieving great things. English is just a tool to help you reach your dreams. Keep going, stay motivated, and never give up. The future belongs to those who continue to improve and work hard. So let's take it one day at a time and keep moving forward, just like that tree that grows taller and stronger every day. I hope this video inspires you to stay motivated. Bye for now, and I'll catch you on the next video. Till then, stay motivated to achieve your goals and don't forget to practice every day.